Hello friends, in this video I shall show how to upload any file on Firebase storage and delete it. So let's start. I have shown all the setups related in the previous videos, you can refer it. First of all, import the Angular Fire storage and initialize it in the constructor. After that, define a new function called onFileSelected. What it does? First of all, when we upload any file from the input, then on the change of that input field, a function onFileSelected is called and these things happen. What it is? Extract the file from the event and create a file path where that file should be stored and create a reference of that file with that path. And what it is, it means if there is an images folder present in the storage, then directly upload the file with this file name, else create a new folder images and upload file with this name in that folder. We will see in the UI how it is going on. And after that, call an upload method of storage, and each time snapshot changes subscribed for the URL. It means after that, call the upload method of storage, and each time when snapshot changes gives the output in the URL. And after the finalization of uploading the file, get the download URL of that file and subscribe it in the variable URL, and this URL is stored in the downloadable link, and finally you can get the download link of that file. After that, call the delete file in storage function. What it means, when we click on the button delete storage file, it calls the function delete file in storage and increments the value of j and delete the file present at this path with this name. So finally, what the whole code does is, each time we upload a new file, it is uploaded in the images folder with the name of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And on each call of delete file in storage, file is deleted in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, because j is initialized with 0 and I is also initialized with 0. See in the UI, choose file, selected this pic and open it. It will call the function on selected file and it is the download link for that image. Open it. This is the image and you can see here no folder. Refresh it. As you can see, previously there was no any folder, so created the new folder images, and inside it the new file with name 1 is present. So upload another file, choose file and upload this PDF and open it. So call that function and this is a download URL. So it is asking for downloading, so I am ignoring it and go to the storage, and you can see here is nothing to show. So refresh it, or in some time it will automatically refresh. Yeah, this is this file too. If we choose another file, choose file, suppose I am again selecting this and open it. So file has been uploaded successfully and this is the download URL of that file. Come to the console, refresh it. Okay, 3. So in this way the file is created in the images folder. If images folder is not present, then it is created, else upload the file simply. Now go to the delete function. So delete storage file. First time I calling it, then what it does, the file name with 1 whose name is 1, actually it is deleted. So go here, refresh it. Yeah, you can see that file1 has gone. If called again this function, delete it and refresh, deleted, right? Again delete and refresh, there is nothing to show. Okay, and after that you can see that there is no any folder, and that folder has been also disappeared. So that's it. Thank you.